Model, 2015 Citroen Berlingo HDi 75 L1625 Enterprise Long MOT Easy Fix. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 135427. MOT, the 15th of August 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 it.DC. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts but cuts out, has fuel-related fault code to low pressure. Needs high-pressure fuel pump. Replacing engine starts and sounds perfect, needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Low fuel pressure fault code. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, part service history, electric windows.